All right, guys, next up, we got another box of 2020 Topps Inception Baseball. This is a hot product, and we've pulled some pretty nice cards out of this case so far. So let's see if we can keep it rolling. So you got 7 cards all together, including 1 hit. So here's the rundown. Aaron with the Rangers. Anthony W. with the Angels, the Marlins, and the Brewers. Casey, you've got the Orioles. Chancey K. with the White Sox and the Reds. Dan C. with the Pirates. George, you've got the Dodgers, Mets, Phillies, and Padres. Joel, you've got the Twins. Joseph with the Red Sox. Robert J. with the Royals. Ryan B. with the Diamondbacks, Cubs, Rockies, and Astros. Timmy, you've got the Tigers, Yankees, and Nationals. Todd M. with the Braves and Blue Jays. Tucker's got the Cardinals. Tyler M. with the Mariners. Zach with the Oakland A's. And then Arturo, you've got the Cleveland Indians. All right, so here we go. See, we pulled a Jordan Alvarez. I think that was the first box we broke of this case. We pulled an Aaron Judge relic auto. All right, so base cards up first. We've got Josh Staumont, number /50 for Kansas City. We got Zach Gallen for the Diamondbacks. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. Jacking with my camera tonight. Got Aaron Judge. Javier Baez for the Cubs. We've got Eloy Jimenez, nice one here for the White Sox. And then the hit is going to be an Indian. Arturo picked up the unsold team, Aaron Savali, number /245 on card auto for the Indians. It's a nice hit there. All right, so we'll get that card and all the cards in the mail tomorrow. And I think I've got a couple boxes left from this case, so we'll do another one next week. And it's actually on eBay. I think I'm probably gonna have to restart it because if you notice, I think it's got a Wednesday end date, so I think I screwed up the listings. So we'll do another one. It'll probably go live tomorrow for a 5-day listing, and it'll end on Saturday. We'll break it here next Sunday.